There goes Richard. Richard to man the stool. Show your face, Richard. Wave.
Too high.
Rich, show your face and wave.
Yep.
Too high.
Wave to the camera. Hi, there he is.
Hello, camera.
Still pretty high, Jess.
Dang it. Make fold lower.
Make it lower, yeah.
That looks better.
Right.
Woo! Dad's the stool remover. Nice job, Dad.
Yay.
Yikes. Woo!
Whoa. Need the stool back.
Nope.
Nope, she just hops down. Wow, that was cool.
That was great. Wow.
Ta-da!
Excellent. I didn't think I was going to see a show.
Yep. Whoa. Ta-da! Go stand next to Jess, Rich, and yeah, sit on there and go for a swing.
It's pretty slippery.
Sit on there and go for a
That's
swing.
very slippery.
It's a little stretchy.
Yeah.
But there's some that are max stretch.
Let me get some stills, Jessica.